Hey, welcome back to Novatech HQ. We have another Novatech unboxing. We're getting quite a lot out at the moment, some quite good content. We've done a gaming PC recently, one of our new Range Century Mark 1 PC. We've done the Colink Phalanx case, links in the description below. Check them out if you haven't seen them yet. Today we have the EndGame Gear XM1 gaming mouse. It's a mouse designed for esports. It's very lightweight. Obviously we'll go through the description, have a look at all the features in a bit. So we'll have a little play around with it. I'm a big advocate of playing Apex, play a lot on my own time. A lot on work time, during lunchtime obviously, not when I'm supposed to be working. You know what they say, the mouse doesn't make the man makes the mouse, or they once said about 10 seconds ago. So we'll see how that goes. Let's get inside the box. So now we've got it out of the box, obviously you can see it here. One of the things I like about it is quite a minimalistic design. There's no overuse of buttons. I think you get a lot of mice nowadays where you have about 7 million buttons on them everywhere. End of the day, casual gamer like me, esports gamer, you only need about 5 or 6 buttons. And that's what you got with this. Well, we've got your normal left and right buttons here, some side buttons, and then your scroll wheel. So you can hear that, should be able to hear that click. It's got a nice feel to it. And I like the minimalistic design. I think it's a spot on really. There's no overkill and there's no waste of mouse real estate. Did I just invent that? There's 2 core features that I think are definitely worth mentioning. First one is how light it is. It weighs about 70 grams, one told, and it doesn't feel like it's weighed 70 grams. You know when you get something that's quite light and you can hear inside it's hollow. This is not hollow at all. I like the build. The build quality is good and the weight is ideal. So obviously when you're scrolling on your mouse pad, it's not too heavy to pick up. Sometimes it feels like when you're strafing to the right, you're picking up a 10 kilogram dumbbell. Obviously, I'm not here to get a workout, I'm here to get Apex Legend champion. Second thing definitely worth mentioning is the patented technology. It makes it the first 1 millisecond and below response time mouse. Read into that what you will. I think it'll benefit some people more than it benefits others. You can say that about a lot of stuff. But if you're at home playing 1 hour of Command & Conquer Red Alert a day, it's not going to benefit you that much. If you're striving to be in the ESL and you're winning all the old Dota 2 tournaments, then bang, this is probably going to be right up your alley. It currently retails at about £52, £53. Obviously that's going to vary a tiny bit. Probably the price changes by the time we finish filming this video. But for me that's bang middle of the road for peripheral software. Not the cheapest, not the most expensive, but for esports mice at home, exactly what you need. For sensitivity purposes, your buttons on the bottom change the CPI, your counts per inch. Obviously the higher CPI you've got, the more sensitive your mouse. I think personally, have a little go on each one and see what works for you really. There's no one setting for all. The key things to go through again, obviously how light it is, the CPI settings on the bottom and how high they go, the 1 millisecond response time, all the key sellers for this. Obviously I mentioned earlier, it retails about £53 at the moment, around the £50 mark, let's say that. All in all, very good mouse, very effective. I'll be using it a bit more on the Apex hype train. So thank you very much again, and any products you want to see unboxed, let us know in the comments below. We'll try and get on them as soon as possible. At the moment, we're doing products we want to see unboxed and we think you like. Thank you very much, and we'll have another unboxing video very soon.